Hi, John Malam here. I'm going to show you a quick way how to clean your instrument and disinfect it. Fill a bowl full of water, warm water that you can put your hands in. You need a disinfectant, and you also need something like this, so some suds. Yeah. Put your mouthpiece in the water. You need a jug to pour through the instrument, so you're actually pouring the water, the disinfected water. To go through the valve sections, put your finger down and keep going. More water, 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 water. Then when that's finished, you can wipe it dry, blow out the residue, and you should take some of the debris that has formed. That'll be nice and fresh and everything will be working. My next video is going to show you how to do your valves. Thank you very much.